መቸም ኣብ ዝኾነ ነገራት ኣተሓሕዛና ሓደ ክኸውን ኣይክእልን እዩ ሎማዓንቲ ክልተ ኣብ ናይ ዓለምና ጸለውቲ እሞኻ ክልቲኦም ነንመይዱ መደባትን ነናበይኑ ሓሳባትን ዘለዎም ኮይኖም እቲ ዕላማ ግን ንሓደ ዝዓለመ እዩ ሕጂ ግን ግዜኹም ንኸይሰርቀልኩም መታን ነዚ ቻናል እዚ ንኽዓቢ ሼር ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ እናበልኩም ሓገዝኩም ኣይፈለየና እንዳበልኩ ናብቲ መእተዊ ከብለኩም እየ ሰናይ ምክትታል مباركس زم كلته ناي عالمنا ጸሎቱ ዝባሃሉ ኣታሓዛና ገንዘብ ክልቲኦም ነን ብበዓይኑ ዝሪዎ ብናቶም ወይ ከዓ በትሶም ከኣምንሉ ዝኽእሉ ዝጥቀምሉ ኮይኖም ሓደ ካብኣቶም ዴቭ ራምዚ ኮይኑ ንኣታሓዛ ገንዘብ ኩሉ ቀልጢፍካ ክትከፍሎ ኣለካ ዝብል እዩ
Credit cards stupid student loans stupid car payments, stupid on steroids. Borrowing money on your house to put granite countertops in. Somebody ought to smack you. That's stupid. It's stupid. You have to stop and think again. Here's the deal. Your number one wealth building tool is your income. All of the millionaires that we interview, unless they inherited the money, which is very, very few of them, less than 10% of them inherited the money, did it by saving and investing their income. They did not give their income to Best Buy. When you give your income to someone else, you don't have it anymore. And when you give your income away, you have given up your economic future. All for crap. 70% of the Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. That's stupid because you're living in one of the wealthiest countries the world has ever known, and there you sit like a rat in a wheel, run. Why? Because student loans are an investment and I'm going to Best Buy. This is just stupid. It's stupid on steroids. Really, seriously, you've got to stop and think. Instead of sitting around eating Skittles and watching Oprah reruns. This is stupid. We're fat and we're broke because we have no ability to do critical thought and we don't stop and look at what we're putting into our lives. This is nuts. It's nuts. It's completely out of control. I mean, the number of people I've talked to just today with $25,000 and $30,000 owed on their stupid car. It's a car. Good God. It's a car. What does it do? It takes you from here to there. Now, I don't mind you having a $25,000 car. All of my cars cost more than $25,000, but I freaking paid for them, and they're a very small percentage of my life, a very small percentage of my income. Think. Seriously. So.
خلاي دما كم روبرت كيازاكي كوينو نسو دما ندحر دا كتفتم ويكا اختلوات كوينكا leverage debt ويكا الغح
Ever notice what's missing from 12 years of school? Taxes, debt, investing, building wealth. Here's why that's not an accident. Schools don't teach about money for one simple reason. If people truly understood how money, 401k, taxes, debt, investing, and cash flow work, they would rely less on jobs, banks, governments, and corporations. Schools are not designed to teach how to generate income without a job, how to build assets, the difference between good debt and bad debt, or even what a 401k really is. Schools prepare people to fit into existing economic roles, not to redesign or escape them. Schools train punctuality, which is important for factory and office work. They are designed to create predictable workers, people who show up on time, follow instructions, wait for promotions, and trust pensions and paychecks. Even people who dislike Marxism still live in systems shaped by its ideas. Modern education wasn't designed to create financially free people. Schools teach save money, schools teach debt is bad, schools teach work 40 years, then retire. My dad had a PhD and a steady paycheck, yet we were poor. But my rich dad had business assets, and he told me what you should focus on. He believed in financial freedom. He taught me to build businesses, buy assets, and understand how money works. He taught me good debt makes you rich and bad debt keeps you broke. He gave me a reality build your cash flow now, so retirement is optional. Once you understand all that, everything changes. You stop asking for raises. You stop believing security comes from a job, and you start asking the questions rich people ask. How do I create income without direct labor? How do I own instead of rent my life? How do I buy assets instead of liabilities? For many decades, academic education avoids these topics, but this is the only education that actually makes you independent from the system. And independent people are hard to control. They don't panic when markets crash. They don't beg for bailouts. They don't need permission to thrive. That's why this is not an optional education anymore. It's survival.
እዞም ክልተ ጸሐፍቲ ወይ ከዓ እዞም ክልተ ዓበይቲ ጸሎቲ ናይ ዓለምና ክልቲኦም ናይ መጀመርያ መጽሓፎም ዴቭ ቤቢ ስቴፕ ሚሊዮነርስ ትብል ከምኡውን ሮበርት the rich dad and poor dad ዝፍለጡ ኮይኖም ኣብ ካልኣይ ሕታሞም ድማ በዘን ስዕማ መጽሓፍቲ ከም ካልኣይ ሕታም ኣቕሪቦም ነይሮም እተን መጽሓፍቲ እነዚኣ መስላ ዝሓንቲ the total money makeover ናይ ዴቭ ራምዚ ከም ካልእ ተሕታም ናይቲያ ቤቢ ስቴፕ ሚሊዮነር ኮይና እዚኣ ድማ the cash flow quadrant ትብል ብናይ ሮበርት ኪያዛኪ ታ ካልእ ተሕታም ንናይ rich dad poor dad ትውክል መጽሓፍቲ እየን እቲ መልእኽተይ ግን ሎማዓንቲ ብፍልይ ዝበለ ናባኹም ሒዘ ቀሪበ ዘለኹ ምክንያቱ ኣብ ገለ ግዜያት ሓደ ግዜ ምስ ሓደ ኣብ ዝዛረበሉ ዝነበርኩ ግዜ እቲ ኣተሓሳስባናን እቲ እንገብሮ ዘለናን በበይኑ ብምዃኑ ኣብቲ ሓሳባት ክንሰማማዕ ከም ዘለና ይሕብረኒ እዚ ግን ብፍጹም ክኸውን ከም ዘይብሉ እቲ ኣተሓሳስባና በበይኑ ኮይኑ ግን ንሓደ ዕላማ ክሰርሕ ከም ንኽእል ድማ ብናተይ ቃላት ኣትኹሉ እዚ ክብል ከለኹ ኩሉና ወይ ከዓ ኩሉ ሰብ ነናቱ ባይታን ነናቱ ታሪኽን ነናቱ እምነትን ነናቱ ኣተሓሕዛ ገንዘብን ነናቱ ኣማዓዕብላ ወይ ከዓ ኣተሃናንፃ ናይ ምውራህ ፀጋ ዘለዎ ሰብ እዩ ስለዚ ንሕና ከም ሰባት እንድሕር ደኣ ንህይወት ክንገጥማ ወይ ከዓ እንድሕር ደኣ ብልክዕ ነቶም ብድሕሪና እነምፆም ወይ ከዓ ነቶም ብድሕሪና እንፈጥሮም ሰባት እቲ ብልክዕ ክነውርሰሎም እንኽእል ወይ ከዓ ምውራስ ተመክሮ ወይ ከዓ ምውራህ ፀጋ ኢልና ንዛረቦ ብኸመይ ዓይነት ተኾነ ይሓይሽ ኣብዛ ዓለም እንድሕር ደኣ ብሓንሳብ ኣሊና ኮይና እቲ ሓሳባትና ሓደ ተኾነ ዶ ይሓይሽ ወይስ በበይኑ ግን እቲ ዕላማ ንሓደ ኮይኑ ብሓደ ምስራሕ ስለዚ ካብዞም ናይ ክልተ መጽሓፍቲ እንድሕር ደኣ ክንዕዘብ ኮይና ናይ ዴቭ ራምሲ ሸውዓተ ቤቢ ስቴፕ ኢሉ ወይ ከዓ ከም ቤቢ ስቴፕ ዝጥቀመለን ነገራት ኣለዉ እዚአን ድማ ሓደ ብሓደ ኣብ ስክሪን እንዳረኣኹም ክኸይድ ክፍትነ ከም ናይ ሮበርት እንድሕር ኢና ድማ ሓፈሻዊ እስኻ ገንዘብካ ክተቐምጥ የብልካን ነቲ እስኻ እቲ ልቆሖ ላቨሬጅ ጌርካ others people money ክትጥቀም ኣለካ OPM ማለት እዩ ኣብ ገለ ኣሕዋትና እውን ሕጂ ይረአ ኣሎ ልክዕ ከም ናይ ሮበርት ዝካየድ ስለዚ ኣብ ንገብሮ ወይ ከዓ ኣብ ንሓስቦ ኩልና ሓሳብና ክፈላለ ንበር እዩ እንታይ ደኣ እቲ ዕላማና ሓደ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ምክንያቱ ናይዞም ክልተ ሰባት እንድሕር ዳሪናዮም እቲ መወዳእታ ዕላማ ናቶም ከመይ ጌርካ ነቲ ብድሕሪኻ ዝመፅእ ወለዶ ብግቡእ እቲ ምውራህ ፀጋ እትገብረሉ እዩ ስለዚ ኣብ ዝኾነ እንገብሮ ብፍላይ እቶም ኣብ ሚድያ ንወፅእ ሰባት ሓሳብና ክፈላለ ወይ ከዓ ኣረኣእያና ክፈላለ ንበር እዩ ግን እቲ ዕላማና ሓደ ክሳብ ዝኾነ ኩልና በቲ ክረኽበና ዝኽእል ነገራት ተሰማሚዕና በቲ ንዓይ ንዓኹም ወይ ከዓ ንዓኻ ጠቕመና ዝኽእል ኣብ ሓደ ክኣስረና ዝኽእል እንዳተረኸብና ኣብቲ ካልእ ግን በብቲ ዘለናዮ ክንደጋግፍ ጥራይ ዘለና ስለዚ ካብዘን ክልተ መጽሓፍቲ ወይ ከዓ ካብዞም ክልተ ጸሎት ሰባት እንድሕር ደኣ እንታይና ክንምሃር ወይ ከዓ እንታይና ክንፈልጥ ኢልና ኮይና ብክልቲኦም ኣዝዩ ጋብ ዘለዎ ሓሳብን ኣዝዩ ክራኸብ ዘይክእልን መደባትን እዩ ዘለዎም ግን እቲ ዕላማ ናይ ክልቲኦም በቲልካ መወዳእቱ ነቲ እስኻ እትፈጥሮ ከመይ ጌርካ እቲ ዝበለፀ ምውራህ ፀጋ ወይ ከዓ እቲ ፀጋ ኣውሪስካዮ ትኸይድ እዩ እቲ ሓደ ንኩልና ጠፊእና ዘሎ ወይ ከዓ እቲ ዘድልየና ኢልና ንኣምኖ ኣነ ብውልቀይ ካብ ኣብ ዝኾነ ነገራት ዝኾነ እትደሊ እቲ ንዓኻ ክጠቕመካ ዝኽእል ሎየር ወይ ከዓ ብግቡእ ከረዳእካ ዝኽእል ንዓኻ ናይ ውልቅኻ ከም ናይ ሕጊ ኣማኻሪ ወይ ከዓ حدا بحدا بملؤ خمال الكازخل بملؤ تحق خفلت كازخل سب انت تركب اتي موداتو نايكلت يوم فحفح يلو تصنح حسابات اب حدا نخوم تصوم زخل اتي حقي ويكا اتي زقبر نقرات رايو سلازي كابزي فيديو زي ويكا كابزي مدبزي قال تمهاركم كون تسوانا قبركو نزان كلتا ننوين حساب زلوهم اتوم ازيوم عبيدي تصلو تخنسهم جن اتي ملختي ويكا اتي عبي نقرات ناتهم ناي موداتا حدا ويكا ناب حدا نتوي معلبيو سلازي اتفتح رأينا زلو ويكا نتي نقرات عصفحنا هنطمتو علينا إلا زامنو نحرد علي خوينو التحساس بانا أسرع رحنا ويكا نقبرو نقرات ببينو خونا خليو تعلى ما قل نحرق حساب لهنا أبتي نحرق قبرنا زخل بحرق نسرح نكلا لنا سلازي كابزناي ديفن كوموناي روبرت قال نقراتهم هيركم تكونوا اندا تمحصونكو لومي أبزي قدفوكم كفتني سلام وصلنا أبتقبرو ومن أبتحسبو ومن عوتنا سالتون يقبرو لكم ودحنكم